Manufacturing, the industry behind most of the goods and products we use every day. We may not always notice it, but modern life depends on manufacturing and its diverse, skilled workforce. Together, that skilled workforce fills society's most basic needs and its highest technological demands.
Machining, to me, is you take stock and you can turn it into anything from parts on a spaceship to pins in people's knees to screws in IKEA furniture.
We make some housings for Black Hawk helicopters, infrared cameras. I mean, I don't know about you, but that's pretty cool stuff. Another cool one, we make rifle parts for a sniper team overseas. And so their rifle parts are so cool to actually get to work on them and then put together and then function properly.
So what is it like to work in manufacturing? The stereotype of a dirty and unsafe factory is outdated. Today's manufacturing takes place in an organized, clean, and safe production facility. Employees work in teams using computers and new technology to carry out operations.
The work environment here at Hot Start on the production floor is very clean, very well lit, very safe.
Yeah, so some people think kind of a stereotype that kind of goes along with machining is that we're not very clean, very disorganized, clutter everywhere. No, that's just not the case.
Manufacturing not only provides its employees a safe and clean environment, it also offers them variety. Employees operate in different fields, such as assembly, quality control, and maintenance. Common positions on the shop floor include CNC machinist, production supervisor, engineer, electrician, and material handler. Manufacturing companies also rely on an office team to work in sales, marketing, IT, accounting, customer service, purchasing, human resources, and scheduling. There is a high demand for CNC operators.
CNC stands for computer numeric control. Basically, we tell the machine what to do based on CAD software. So we'll write a program, create a virtual part in the computer, and then through that we can post it into language that the machine then can take and read. And through that, we hit go and watch what happens. So, pretty cool.
If you're interested in manufacturing, where do you begin? The Inland Northwest offers training programs that teach basic manufacturing. They also provide students with connections to local businesses where they can apply their learning. Most programs take 2 years. Many manufacturers also offer entry-level positions with opportunities for on-the-job training. Employees can learn new skills that enable them to take on higher level and more complex manufacturing jobs.
I'm currently going to Spokane Community College for the CNC machining program. The first year entails manual machining, the second year being CNC, so you come out of it with a little bit of knowledge because you can always grow in terms of being a machinist. I just completed my second quarter, so third quarter will start here shortly.
Manufacturing careers have a strong economic future. Jobs are high-paying and provide new graduates with a living wage. The industry is ready for trained and motivated employees.
In the Spokane and Coeur d'Alene area, manufacturing is very, very prominent. We've always had an issue finding qualified people in the manufacturing. So we're always looking, always have been looking, and that demand is growing ever more so in the Spokane, Coeur d'Alene area, as well as the nation. Everybody's looking for someone in manufacturing right now.
Employees in manufacturing find great reward in their work. Day-to-day operations offer plenty of variety, and the work is important, providing the materials that are vital to modern life.
So I really love coming to work and the uncertainty of what I'm going to do every day as it changes, as the needs around the shop change, and I just kind of go where there's things to be done. So I never know what I'm doing, and it's kind of great that way. There's not a lot of redundancy in the work.
Some of the parts that we make are medical instruments. A 15-year-old boy got in a car accident and needed back surgery. Well, the parts that we make helped him to actually walk again. So that to me is very rewarding.
How do you know if manufacturing is right for you? Where do you fit in? There are plenty of positions to fill. The industry is open to people with a variety of skills, backgrounds, and passions.
So I think it's important in academia to explore all options in terms of a career path and not to cancel out the trades just because you're a woman. I would say take those shop classes, take those technical classes, get into it, don't be scared of the machines, don't be scared of the equipment, and go for it and give it a shot. I love it. I never thought in my day that I'd turn out to be a machinist. I wanted to go into psychology, but here I am.
Typically, manufacturing is a male-dominated field, but here at Hot Start we have a number of women building a variety of different products for us in production.
Manufacturing careers are ready for new and enthusiastic employees. Local training is available to get started. See what the manufacturing industry has to offer you.
In 5 to 10 years, I can see myself still being here. I think the opportunities are great. Like I was saying, there's a lot of variation that can be done in the work, and I think with the way technology is advancing and the new machines that are coming out, the complexity of the parts and the way that they're done, it gives every day a little bit of difference. So I see myself still learning and finding my way to be a machinist.
I think it's very exciting for students to get involved in manufacturing, whether they start in high school or that's whether they want to go in college, because it can take them anywhere that they want.
I mean, it's fun. You can take a block of aluminum and make whatever you want out of it.
Production of this video proudly brought to you in partnership with JP Morgan Chase, the Spokane Workforce Council, and the following supporters.